sige po. Ay, thank you.
Hello everyone and good afternoon. We are back and this time we're going to be starting our program formally for all of our guests. Yes, please, we have so ask you to join us, marketing team. Thank you again to the merchandising team who did a great job. Marketing team, if I can call you up to join us here. Mr. Cameraman, dito po tayo. We have first our station filled with charm, very charming, but she is the one who made and designed these. So definitely something that you should notice in different sizes. And over here, we have another special station just for you. And today we are with so look at Miss Sheila, how's everything? Well, we've got nice designs. We have it in pink. And so if you have an aqua flag, or if you want to buy an aqua flag, then you can get a free customization or engraving to take a cool free bag. Kasi yung bag natin. But this bag, just in case that you want to buy an aqua flag, which is worth 2,000 pesos. Alright, next up we have our notebooks nook. The Philippines, which is Maruman. So we have here Maruman, an iconic Japanese stationery brand known for its
Sobrang cute nito, grabe. Di ba gusto ko ng mga ganitong, gusto ko magganto. And this is only 299 pesos lang, grabe. Sobrang mura nito. And then, ito yung mga ball pens nila na sobrang affordable lang din. Like for example, this one is only 149. And then the other ball pens naman, here we have the Labubu pens. The Labubu pens are only 59 pesos, which is super, grabe, sobrang mura nito. And then, they also have here aqua flasks. Here they have aqua flasks inside, like this one. And then, may mga accessories din sila dito, like yung mga boots, and mga handles, and bags. And these are all the, I don't know if you guys can hear me, pero, ayan. Ayan. They have a variety of pouches inside. And then, this one, they have home gallery. This one naman is yung mga organizers here na sobrang affordable lang din. Like for example, this one for only 150 pesos. Sobrang mura. And then this one is only 79 pesos. And mga organizers is available siya here inside. And then this one is very cute. Hoodie neck pillow. For only 249. Guys, 249 tong hoodie neck pillow na to. Ang cute nito. Tapos, they also have travel pillows, notebooks here. And then, this one. Ayan. Okay, stop mo na. Mura. May gusto ko ba? Sobrang mura. And ito lahat ng colors. So, mayroon silang pink, purple. Okay, so dito, ito yung mga trending na available dito. They have here the black, black pouch, blue pouch, and then ito may gray din na available. 2 sizes available, and then here they have here yung mga different kinds of pencil cases like this one. This one is only 99 pesos, which is here the pink one, the purple one, and the blue one. So meron din lang silang flat na ganito. You can use this anywhere, like for your travel, pencil case. So available yan here sa station. So let's go. Dito naman tayo. Saan pa ba tayo hindi nakakapunta? Somewhere dun sa mga ballpens. We move on to the ballpens and highlighters na available inside the store. They have here M and G. Like this one. This is very popular. This is only 955 pesos. And they have a smaller version if you like. This is the smaller version, which is only 213 pesos. And then, of course, ang ating all-time favorite na Stabilo, we have here a lot of Stabilos. So, for only 48 pesos, magkakaroon ka na ng very affordable na highlighter na pang matagalan na. They have here a lot of colors available. They have the Stabilo Original. They have the Stabilo Cool, Swing Cool. So, ito may mga pastel, and then meron din mga neon colors dito. And then here naman sa side na to, we have here the color peps. These are mga colored pencils na available. They have the duo colors, yung star, and then if you want a smaller version or the they have here this one, meron siyang mga sharpeners. And then here naman, we have here the innovation. Ito naman is erasable. If you're looking for a marker na erasable, meron sa Maped na color peps for only 269 pesos only. Next naman, if this one naman, pwede to sa mga clothes. So, pag nalagyan yung clothes nyo, sobrang dali niyan matanggal. Okay, so I think this is the newest one. So, okay lang po. Thank you. So, this one naman is the Color Peps Monster for 12 pieces, 249 pesos, which is very affordable na rin. Ang dami nilang variant dito ng never ko to nakita sa ibang stores. This one is the Maped na ano ba to? Yan, reinforced papers for coloring and then build. So yan, available yan dito for only 639 pesos yung malaki. So may mga hanggang maliit yan na ganito kaliit. Okay. Next is we go to Faber-Castell. So this is Faber-Castell. They have the colored pencils, the watercolors, the paints, pens, of course, mga pencils nila. And then alam nyo, nung high school ako, dati wala pang case tong mga ganito. This one is a kneadable art eraser. They have here different kinds of colors. They have gray, yellow, red, and color blue. Ayan, yan mga color. So dito naman guys, yung mga Faber-Castell na mga pastel colors. They have here 12 pieces. And then they also have here etong ilang pieces ba to? This is the special edition for only 359 pesos. And then here naman is pang ano ba to? Pang metallic colored pencils they have here. And then this one is the Dong A twist up crayons, oil pastels, and of course ang all-time favorite na mga ball pens dito. So here we have mga My Gel na Dong A. We have here Dong A Q-Knock. And then this one naman yung all-time favorite ko. Okay, this is the Faber-Castell na RX7 na 19 pesos each lang. So, sobrang mura. Mas mura dito bumili compared to other online shops. Okay, so if you want na makatipid kayo, you get the ang tawag dito, set na to for only 232 pesos. And then, this one is uy, ito. First time ko lang nakakita ng isang set na Faber-Castell na metallic. This one, how much is this? Oops. 399 pesos guys. 399 pesos for this. Very mura na siya. And then, I also have here mga Sakura na poster colors. Mga junior artists na mga oil pastels. If you're looking for oil pastels, everything is available here in Station SM Fairview. And alam nyo, sa ano ko lang ito nakukuha, sa Taiwan ko lang nakukuha yung mga ganito.
Parang ayaw ko maniwala. Parang pina-iso ko lang.
So guys, dito sa Pilot, they can personalize your pen. So they have here the Pilot Acro Ball. So ito yung mga binili ko dati dun sa ano, sa ibang country. Ay, sorry. Sige. Quality ng camera nito. Mag-ano na rin siya dun sa quality ng camera na DSLR, no? Okay, so dito naman, ito, finally na-kompleto ko na to. Nabili ko lang din siya ulit sa Taiwan and available na siya dito. Nagulat ako na meron silang ganito. So ito yung parang mga pastel colors nila and ito yung mga testers. And here, sobrang ganda ng mga ballpen ito. This is only 49 pesos, guys. 49 pesos lang tong Pilot Juice. So if naghahanap kayo ng mga Pilot Juice na kakaiba, available siya here. And ayan, ito pa yung mga iba. Okay, for only 49 pesos, you can get it here. Sobrang ganda talaga. Kaya go nyo na yan. And then, of course, yung mga acro balls natin dito, they have here different colors. And you can also personalize it. Ayan, pwede po personalize kay ate after na ma-purchase yan. Yan, available lahat yan here. 25,000, 9,500. May gray cups sila. Like this one, the 2025 planner is available here. Leather type, sobrang ganda, $399. And then if ayaw nyo naman ng leather type, they have here for only 299 pesos. Available in color blue, gray, pink. Ang ganda ng pink. And then available also sa color brown, which is this one. So they have a lot of planners here since magto 2025 na. So they have the 365 days from Limelight, which is super nice. This is my favorite kasi okay, ang dami nyong pwedeng gawin dito. Kita nyo ba? Ang ganda, guys. Tignan nyo. Diba? Ang ganda. Very colorful. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong planners eh. So this planner is 365 pesos only. Sobrang mura, guys. Sobrang mura talaga. They have this one, they have the Limelight planner na maliit naman. This one is 199 pero it's not as colorful as this one. Here naman ang mga highlighters na very affordable. Like for example, if you're looking for an erasable highlighter, they have here. This is only 129 pesos. Isang set na siya. And then they also have here, ito, ang ganda nito. Ang ganda nito. Highlighter ba to na may ano, for only 149 pesos. Ang cute nito. Feeling ko may glitters to. And then another highlighter is this one. Ang ganda, for only 149 pesos. 6 pieces na siya. Here we have a variety of highlighters na available here sa SM or sa station here sa SM Fairview. So if you wanna visit, mag-visit kayo kasi ang dami available na products, especially yung Smiggle. Yung Smiggle, ayan. Sobrang hirap makahanap niyan dito sa Philippines before. But now, already available na siya dito sa station sa SM Fairview. Okay, next naman is of course mga pencil cases na cute. So here, they have the Korean pencil cases for 199 pesos. They have the pink one, the purple, and the blue one available here for only, again, 199 pesos lang siya. And then here we have the Lucky pencil case for 199, available in purple, pink, blue. And then namin available dito ng mga pencil cases na pwede nyo magamit for school. So, nandito kami ng cousin ko sa station. And grabe, ang ganda ng quality ng camera na to. And as you can see, they have here a lot of things na pwedeng mabili. Like for example, mga mugs. Yan. So, meron pala ako ditong microphone para marinig nyo na ako ng maayos. For a lunchbox na available, dito meron. And of course, yung mga Smiggle available din here. Di ba ang hirap makahanap nito? So here, may mga Smiggle sila na sobrang daming designs na available. They have in purple, pink, black, blue. Lahat ng kailangan nyo is here na sa station. So if naghahanap kayo ng magandang pag-shoppingan, go here na. Guys, papakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda nito. Guys, ito sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng design. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan o. This is 369 pesos. And ang ganda niya, sobrang laki niya. Which is super nice. Ang ganda talaga. Tingnan mo. So, diba? Ang ganda. 369. Guys, if I'm gonna be honest with you, dito sa station, more on mga bags siya and other novelty items. But when it comes to like mga ball pens, hindi siya ganun ka-wide range. But yeah, pero ang gaganda ng mga ball pens dito, like the Pilot Acro Ball. It's different from the other stores kasi nga parang kakaiba yung mga Pilot nila na available dito. Yung mga nabili ko sa Taiwan, yun yung mga available dito, which is grabe. Oo, diba? Yun yung una mo nabili. So guys, nakamask nga pala ako kasi meron akong ubo. And grabe talaga, sobrang grabe yung sipon ko. Kaya nakamask talaga ako. Sobrang lala. As in, may sakit kasi ako, kaya nga hindi ako nakapasok. Pero nandito ako. Anyways guys, ang dami dito available ng mga ball pens like this one. Ayan. Diba? This is only 149. Sobrang mura talaga dito. And ganda ng camera ko. Kama ko yung cousin ko. Tada! Wow, ang pogi niyo. Okay guys, dito naman tayo sa mga ganito. So this one, mga headphones yan. And then, mga planners and other stationaries available dito, mga aqua flask. Kumuha ka na, ano gusto mo? Oo nga. Di ba may gift cert ako? Ayan. Ito lang. So guys, dito may mga paper mates sila. Very organized. Ayan, available. Lahat. Here we have Sharpie. And ito yung sinasabi ko guys sa inyo na sobrang favorite ko. This is the Sharpie na tank. This one, 49 pesos dito. Ito yung smear guard. Di ba sobrang dami kong ganito. And they have here different kinds of colors. And if you guys want one set, available siya dito guys. Ayan. This is 329 pesos. Ayan. So, ayun na siya. Ibang dami. Ang dami dito. Where fun meets function. Saan ba tayo galing? So, ang ganda ng mga pouch dito guys. Sobrang high quality. As in, grabe. Ang kapal ng PVC niya. And color-coded dito. So, they have the yellow, orange. And of course, ang aking favorite, color pink. Available dito. Ay, ang ganda nito. Okay. And then, for traveling, they have here. They also have the purple one. Yan. Available talaga lahat ng colors dito. Blue. Navy blue. Available also. Light green. Green. And if very aesthetic ka, you go for this beige color. They also have the gray one. And the black one. This is the black one. Ayan. Ang ganda. Very nice. Alam mo, very nice to. Yung mga planners, notebooks, available also here. Color-coded din yan. And then, gusto ko talaga nung neck pillow, alam mo. And then, organizers available here. Parang Muji type. They have the Muji type organizers available here. And this one. Notebooks. Notebooks.
Sabihin ko.
Challenge kita.
Okay.
500 pesos. Sana abot ang 500 pesos natin dito sa station. So go. Mag-ikot ka na. Bibigyan ka na ng tirate ko anong mga makukuha din.
Okay guys, so binigyan tayo ng budget ni Ma'am Francine ng 500 dito sa station sa SM FAIRVIEW. So first item natin is ito. Laptop case for only 249. So it's a good find. Ito bang pwede? 250. Okay. Ano pwede? Putol-putulin mo na lang. Ano may isip? Ay, pwede maganto. Ay, hindi. iPad na ako kasi ngayon. Ano ba?
student ang hindi nagsusulat, no? Wala.
iPad kid na kasi. iPad kid na ako ngayon.
iPad kit kasi nang bibili.
Ano ba to? Ay, hindi. Di ka.
Pupunta na nga tayo dyan bukas.
Ha?
Pupunta na tayo.
Oo nga, punta tayo Delhi bukas eh. Ano ba next?
Sayang, hindi na siya dito. Wala na siyang
Hindi na.
girlfriend.
Uy. Guys, baka meron dyan mga chinita. O kaya, yung classmate ko baka na.
Manood ka ng mami.
Uy. Sige, ano na lang. Mag-notebook. Di, syempre kailangan natin kailangan natin medyo pakita ang tao kapag nasa school. So, ang ating next item is ito. Ay, ito. For only 169 pesos. Yung maganda kang notebook. From, ano to? Dokayer.
Ballpen.
Ballpen. Sige, ballpen.
Kompleto na siya.
So for ball pens, guys. Ano magandang ball pen dito? Ay, pens ba? Dito. Pilot. Oh, sige. Ito, pilot. So ako kasi, sobrang basic ang mag-ball pen. So okay na sa akin yung mga super grip fine na pilot. O kaya yung mga DPS fine na pilot. Ayan, sige, kuha ko. 2. Tsaka... And... 2. So yun guys, sobrang good ng price nila dito. Especially for basic pilot pens. So if you're like me, I'd recommend na you go to station here at SM Fairview. So guys, so this is what we got for 500 pesos from Ma'am Felise. Yes!
Tada! And ito yung mga pinagkukuha niya. Notebook, lagayan ng iPad, mga ballpen. Ayan guys, merong mga highlighters dyan. Color changing pens. Uy, meron pala sila. Glitter markers. If you're looking for a glitter markers, they have here. And, ano pa ba meron dito? Eto, mga art therapy. Ito yung mga art therapy na available dito for kids, of course. Ayan, and then yung mga mega art set available here. Barbie, Harry Potter. Tada! So, if mahilig kayo mag-crochet, ayan, meron sila dito. And then, mga paint available here. Clear books available din dito. So, they have here, lahat nandito na. And so guys, if you're looking for a stationery store na sobrang linis talaga, like very maaliwalas, and lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na, starting off with the bags, mga organizers, mga notebooks, ball pens. Although their ball pens, hindi siya ganun ka, yung range ng ball pens nila is hindi ganun kadami compared to other stores. But if if yung mga gusto nyo lahat nandoon, like for example, like laptop tables, mga smiggle items, they have it here. Wait lang, lipat tayo.
Actually, I'm looking at the aqua flask. Oh!
So, as you can see my bag,
Yes!
there's a lot of alikanik.
That's true.
And I interview people who has alikanik.
Okay.
So,
If you also had something that you find that's functional here in station, what would that be?
so that would be Jisoo Life. Because grabe, sobrang init sa Pilipinas, right? And that simple, yes, from the south!
Wow!
I represent.
So we need more. We need a station.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so for all of those right now who are shopping, make sure you don't forget to post on social media. We've got Facebook and Instagram. Make sure to answer the question, if you are a stationary, what stationary are you doing the station store as option? And we can't announce our winners later on, and hopefully we'll do so in just a minute. So don't go.
So, ayan. Babayaran natin yung mga pinamili ng pinsan ko.
Makakala po kami ng bandage card.
Gift set.
Or nang di ba po muna kami
It's okay. Cash na lang. 10 yan dahil dyan siya magbabayad. Ang challenge natin 500. Sumobra siya.